Knoxville is adding jobs again, and the apartment sector here is doing, well, okay relative to Tennessee's other apartment markets. And like many southern metros, the top half of Knoxville's apartment market is leading the way in recovery. Welcome to Apartment Market Dynamics from NPF Research. I'm Jay Parsons with your Knoxville update. Knoxville has seen a pretty unique pattern in its occupancy rates, as you can see from this chart here. The market looked recovered back in fall 2010 with occupancy at 95%, but then it dropped sharply in 4Q of that year, and it's been in the 93 to 94% range ever since. Occupancy did climb 0.7 percentage points in 2011, but at 93.8%, the market is still 1.3 points below that peak seen in 3Q 2010. And when we slice up the data, we do see a pretty distinct gap between apartments priced above the metro norm for monthly rents, which is $727, and apartments priced below that mark. In apartments in the top half, occupancy is at 95%. In apartments in the bottom half, it's 2 points lower. On a submarket level, Southwest Knoxville is in the best shape at 94.9%, West Knoxville is at 93.9%, and the two other submarkets came in right around 93%. And let's switch gears to rents. Overall, same-store rental rates climbed 1.3% in Q4 and 3.9% year over year. And really no clear pattern at all on a submarket level or among product niches. Take a look at annual rent change by submarket in 2011. A very wide range, 7.2% growth in West Knoxville, but it's just 1 to 3% growth in everywhere else. Southwest Knoxville, despite having the best occupancy rate, saw rent growth of just 1.1%. And let's briefly compare Knoxville to Tennessee's other key metros, and as usual, it ranks somewhere in the middle in terms of overall apartment market health. Nashville, 95.4%, up 1.4 points year over year, and rent growth of 3% annually. A little surprising we didn't see better rent growth there. Memphis, 90% occupancy, one of the nation's worst, up 1.4 points year over year, and rent growth of 3.9%. And Chattanooga, 94.6%, up 1.8 points, and rent growth of 4.4%. year over year. And the good news for Knoxville is that it has been adding jobs again, and among Tennessee's 4 key metropolitan areas, Knoxville does have the lowest unemployment rate at 6.4%. It's obviously cushioned a bit being a big college town, so look for apartment occupancy rates to continue to improve in the next year and get back above that 95% mark at some point. And that wraps up for Knoxville, so until next time for Apartment Market Dynamics and NPF Research, I'm Jay Parsons. Thank you for watching.
Want more? Go deeper with NPF Research's apartment market reports. From a national level, down to individual metros, to specific neighborhoods, NPF Research has been providing unparalleled apartment market intelligence to the multifamily industry for almost 5 decades. Learn more by contacting us at 877-284-4938 or visit www.npfresearch.com and click on Market Reports.